Afternoon to all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, children. So today we are starting a new lesson, and the lesson is statistics. Do you remember statistics, children? Do you remember? From 5th standard onwards, we are studying statistics, right? So what all things we will do in statistics? Unmute and tell me what all things we used to do. Yes, children, do you remember anything regarding the chapter statistics? Nothing you remember? Eh? You don't know anything? Do you know graphs? Bar graphs?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tally marks table, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start with the tally marks table. Afterwards, we'll go to the topics. But first of all, we'll do one question based on tally marks. And after that, we'll continue with our topic. So based on the tally marks, we'll move to the next topics. Okay, children. So I'll give one question for you and write the heading. Our chapter is chapter 14, statistics. Okay, so it is chapter 14, statistics. And our first topic is tally marks table. Tally marks table. Tally marks table. Fagad is there? Fagad is present? Fagad.
Yes, ma'am.
Fagad, I'll send a link to you today at 7 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Okay, ma'am.
if any network issues are not there, submit it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay then. So this is the first one, tally marks table. And I'll give a question to you. Okay? I'll give a question. And your question is, you have to do it. Okay? And the question number 1. Question number 1. The blood groups of 30 students in a class are recorded and given below. Draw a tally marks table for this. Draw a tally marks table. Okay, children. Be careful when you write this. When you write these blood groups, it is all A, B, O, A, B. Blood groups are 4 blood groups are there. And A, B, O, like this. A, B, O, A, B, O, O. Don't make any mistake in this. A, B, O, O, A, B together. Then O, A, O, B. Okay, children, there are 30 numbers.
And
There
can
are
you
30.
scroll up?
1 minute. If you and you make a grouping like this. Make a group like this so it is easy for you to write it. Okay. Okay, children. So when you, after this, writing this, how will you draw the tally marks table? There should be 3 columns like this. 3 columns. First column is blood group. Second column is tally marks.
Number.
Blood group. Yes. Second column is tally marks, and third column you can write frequency. Frequency means how many times it repeats. Number of repetitions. Frequency. And children, there are 4 groups: A, B, O, and AB. So you know how to put the tally marks. Okay. Look at your own question and do it. Don't look at the board. Children, can you hear me? Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then you are doing like this. Just put a tick over there. That first one is A. So 1 like this. Okay. Don't look at the board. You do yourself. And when 5 comes, you have to put a cross over there. So you read it as 5.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you finished it. I'll show that screen again. Okay, did you get the correct answer of this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, listen, children. I will send a particular question to you, and just look at that question if you have in your group. In your group, I will send that question. Okay, and look at that question. Okay, just see that question.
Don't have the phone.
Yes, no problem.
Ma'am, should we write the question?
No need to write in that question. I just showed that question. That question I'll read the question is like this. Children, it is, the question comes, 100 plants, each were planted in 100 schools. 100 plants, each were planted in 100 schools during one Mahotsav day. Okay, so one environmental day, they plant 100 plants in each school. So each school 100 plants, and after 1 month, the number of plants that survived were recorded. So after 1 month, they went and saw how many plants are there and how many damaged, like that. So they got an observation. Srihari, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there some plants are damaged, and the marks, the number of plants which are not damaged survived are given below: 95, 67, 28, 32, 65, like that. Okay, children. But see, children, but you just see that how many, what is the number of observation in it? 100 plants, right? So number of observation will be number of, means how many number will be there? Are you listening? Are you listening, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the number is more. So 100. So it is very difficult for us to mark the observations, tally marks, because there are 100 observations. So it is very difficult us to mark each and every one. It is difficult for us to read and mark. So there we introduced one thing. If the observations are more, we uses classes. Do you remember classes? Lower limit, upper limit and all. Do you remember that? Have you ever heard of that? Tell me.
Last year it
children.
was there.
Last year it was there. Okay. So I will give that like this. Suppose 23, I will give one simple question. Don't write now. 23, 29, 78, 71, 56, 29, 41, 36, 98, 85, 76, 51, 48, 42, 35, 99. Okay. These observations, how can you make classes? Okay, children. Here you have to pick the small one. Which is the small one in this? Look at that. Pick the
23.
small number.
23.
23. And which is the large number in this? Big
99.
number.
99.
99. Okay. So we'll make the classes like this. 23 to, 29. One class. Okay. So what is the meaning? What do we call this? Classes. And next class is 30 to 39. And next class is 40 to 49. What will be the next class? Tell me.
50 to 59.
To 59. And 60 to 69. Then 70 to 79. Then 80 to 89. And till where? Till you have 99. You last number you have 99. So what is the last class? What is
90
the
to
last?
99.
To 99. Okay, children. These are known as, what is the name of these? These are known as
Class.
classes. Classes. These are classes. So I'll take one class 60 to 69. In this, 60 is known as lower limit. Do you remember this term? Lower limit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And 69 is known as
Upper limit.
upper limit.
Upper limit.
Upper limit. Upper limit. If it is lower, other will be upper. Lower limit and upper limit. Okay? Lower limit and upper limit.
Ma'am, should we write this on the notes?
No. I'll send the notes. Wait. Okay? So lower limit and upper limit. And now I will take one more class, 90 to 99. Which is the lower limit, children?
90.
90. And what is the upper limit?
99.
99. Okay. And the difference of these is known as class width. Okay. That is, you subtract upper limit minus lower limit. You will get 9, no? It is known as class width. Class width. Class width. Okay, so each class the width is same. 9. Upper limit minus lower limit is known as class width. Okay, children. So upper limit and lower limit. Now I have given one question to you, no? That question you have to make as a tally mark. Okay, children. So you have to write the classes like this. Okay. You have to make the classes The same question. Classes, like 3 columns. 3 columns. First one is classes, second one is tally marks. Tally marks. And the third one is frequency. Frequency means the repetition. Frequency. So I will read that question. In this question, the same thing, 20 to 29. When you get your mobile, your class group, you have to write that question and come. Okay, children? Okay? I am explaining that question now, but you have to write it in your notes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. These are the classes in this particular question. And I will read the first number. 95. Which class it will be? 95. Which class? 95.
90 to 99.
95 will come in. Will come in this class. So you make a mark over there. And next number is 67. So where it will come? 67.
60 to 69.
Here. Like that. It is there in your textbook. The same question is there in your textbook. And the table also there. Okay. Will you write this question and come for the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand it, children? This is a solved question. The question and answer is there in the textbook itself. And the page number is 241. Page number is 241. Okay, children. So, page number 241.
Which exercise?
Page number 241. You will get that question directly. You have the textbook with you? It is example 3.
Ma'am, I don't have textbook.
It is example 3, but you have the group, no? The same question I have sent.
Yes, ma'am. Got that.
Okay. Same question, example 3. Okay. So write this question and the answer, and we'll continue in the next class. Okay, children? Okay, shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So lower limit, upper limit, and the classes. You remember these 3 things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.